I'm to discuss MCX IPO. Let me now bring on board Shweta Prabhu, Assistant Manager with Anand Rathi. Shweta, morning. Thank you for joining us. Your house view on MCX IPO is subscribe. What makes you bullish on this IPO?
Good morning. Yes, our view is subscribe. We think is the first IPO of FY12. And after a debacle of IPOs which we've had last year, I think all eyes would be on today's IPO itself. Taking into considering the valuation terms, domestically there are no direct competitors for MCX. But looking at the global level, the exchanges have been trading around 18 times multiple, whereas Asian exchanges have been trading at enjoying a premium of 24 to 25 times. So seeing at MCX, we expect FY12 annualized EPS at around 57 to 58 rupees, which brings a PE multiple at lower price band of 860 of around 14 to 15 times, whereas at a higher price band of 17 to 18 times. So considering the valuation aspect as well the business model and the industry prospects, we are very positive on MCX and we have a subscribe view. The only concern which we are looking into is the sustainability of the commodity turnover going forward and any negative changes in the regulatory framework which might impact the volumes for MCX going forward.
So Shweta, what is your price target from a 6 to 12 month time frame on MCX?
Price target would be, we expect appreciation around 20 to 25% on conservative basis, depending on the market conditions as well.
So what is it that you're expecting by way of listing gains on day one?
We are expecting around 10 to 15% of listing gains for the day one.
So for investors who are planning to subscribe in the MCX IPO, if they get 15 to 20% on day one, or let's say in the first week of listing, should they exit the IPO then?
If they are short-term investors, I think they can book profits, but for long-term investors, they can obviously hold because it is the first largest IPO to get listed in India. It almost has 87% of market share in its business. It has a very decent financial performance over a period of time where the commodity value trading has been increased around 34% at a CAGR of FY9 to 11. In the same period, MCX has shown an operating income growth of around 32%, whereas EBITDA level has grown around 31.1% and PAT has grown around 30% or so. So very decent financial performance it has been showing, and depending on the industry prospects also, where we are a country of where people like gold, silver, agri commodities, the prospects for this business is huge. So I think one should be invested in MCX.